Opening a BMO joint account is a straightforward process that allows two or more individuals to share ownership and management of a bank account. To get started, you and the co-account holder will need to visit a BMO branch or apply online. First, gather the necessary documents, including identification such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address. Next, choose the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Consider factors like fees, interest rates, and account features when making your decision. Once you have selected your account type, fill out the application form and provide the required documents. You and the co-account holder will need to sign the form and agree to the account terms and conditions. After submitting your application, BMO will review and verify the information. If everything is in order, your account will be opened and you will receive a debit card and checks. If applicable, it is essential to understand the rules and responsibilities of a joint account. Both account holders have equal access to the account and can make transactions, including withdrawals and deposits. However, this also means that both parties are liable for any debts or overdrafts. To manage your joint account effectively, set a budget and track your expenses. Consider setting up automatic transfers and bill payments to simplify your finances. It is also crucial to communicate with your co-account holder and make financial decisions together. In the event that you need to make changes to your account, such as adding or removing an account holder, you can do so by visiting a BMO branch or contacting customer service. Overall, a BMO joint account can be a convenient and practical way to manage shared finances. By following these steps and understanding the benefits and responsibilities of a joint account, you can make the most of this banking solution.